everyone, it's Sam back with my final video of February, and I thought I would just flick through a little 3x3 journal that I've made using the February embellishment kit. I know you're going to start seeing the March embellishment kit from the other creative team members, so I thought I'd just finish off February with the February embellishment kit. So this is just a little 3x3 junk journal that I've made using just all different papers and what have we, and paper bags that I have in my stash, but I've used the embellishment kit throughout. So this is my cover. I've used one of the tassels, the last of my pink ribbon, which I loved. I might have to ask Sarah if she's got some more of that, the cherry applique, and a couple of the doilies. Now I've still got some of those left, look. So not many, but I've still got some of those left, so I will continue using those. So I'm just going to have a flick through now. So I've used another bit of the doily. This ribbon and the papers, etc., are from my stash. I've used the thick thread in the kit. Again, I've still got some left, not much, but I've got some left to make like a little flip out journal page. And this thread is lovely, it's really lovely and thick, so I've just tied a knot in the end of each strand just to give it a little bit of interest. Like I said, I've used another of the pink doilies, then I've used some more of the thread on a tag that I've just popped in there, and these stick, everything that I'm not pointing out is from my own stash, and I've had it for quite a while, so I'm not quite sure where I've got it from, but I'm just focusing on the embellishment kits. So some more pages. So on this page I've used one of the little paper clips, and I've got quite a few of those left and I love them. So these are the sort of things where I feel them and stroke them and don't necessarily use them, but I love them, so I've got plenty of those left as well. So flicking over, I've made like a little booklet, and again I've topped it with a doily to hide how I've glued it all together. Then belly band, and I've also used some thick vellum in this. So again, I've used more of the pink cord in the kit to sew this vellum envelope, and made that into a little pocket. And then what else have I done? I think this is here we go. So I've used some more of the pink thread on a tag and another bit of the doily. I love these, the gold ones. They're really thick and really nice to use, actually, easy to stick down. And then I think that may be all I've used in this little 3x3. But like I said, I've still got quite a bit of the kit left. So I'm just going to tip it out so you can see what I've got left. And I think, if I remember rightly, I've done a layout page, a couple of layouts with this kit. I've done a junk journal page and this little 3x3 journal, and I've still got this left, so there is still plenty there to do another couple of layouts or another couple of junk journals. So I think the kit is really good value, actually, and it's lovely. I need to use the sequins. These are other things where I admire them and tip them out to use them, then put them back in the bag again, because they're just too nice, but I need to use them. A shaker card I think is going to come with these. I do like those. So that's the February kit. I hope you've enjoyed watching the videos and seeing how I've used it, and I'm sure you'll see the March kit going forward. Thanks a lot. Until next time.